Hi, lovelies. Good day to you all. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time that you clicked on this video. So, guys, it is wash day, and this is my third wash day since I installed those mini braids. And this is the new growth I've gotten, and that also is the current situation of my hair. So, I'll be using my black soap and also mega growth deep conditioner to wash my hair. Guys, I first of all use a bar soap because my hair is so oily and I don't want to go in with the black soap first, so I said to use a bar soap to wash my hair first. So I'll be using the bar soap mostly on my scalp because I noticed that my scalp has a lot of build up on it, so that is why I am applying the soap directly on my scalp to lift up those gongs that are on my scalp, so that my scalp is going to be free from any form of dirt, and that as well improves hair growth because healthy scalp equals healthy and fast hair growth. So guys, I wash my hair twice with the soap, and after making sure that my scalp is very clean, I then go ahead to wash my hair using the black soap, and the black soap made my hair to latter so well. This black soap contains ginger. I added ginger juice into my black soap during the preparation. The video is already up on the channel, you can go and check that out. I added ginger into my black soap and also hibiscus flower, which helps to darken the hair, and the ginger will help stop any form of irritation and itchiness on my scalp. So guys, I'm applying the black soap here. After applying the black soap, I am going to scrub my scalp very well and also my hair strands. This black soap lathers so well, as you can see, and doing my first wash with the bar soap really helped the black soap to lather so well because my hair is no longer too oily. Okay, so guys, let me know how you wash your hair. If you're on a mini braid hair growth journey, how much do you wash your hair? Do you wash your hair once in a month or two times in a month? Because I wash two times in a month, and my hair is currently 6 weeks old, which makes it my third wash day since I installed my mini braids. My last wash day will be on the takedown day. The day I'm going to be uninstalling this mini braids is the day I'm going to be having my fourth wash day to complete the 2 months mini braids hair growth challenge. So after washing my hair, this is what it looks like. As you can see, my hair is no longer too oily and my scalp is very clean. So I'll be using my mega growth deep conditioner to deep condition my hair, and I'll make sure that I apply the product all over my strands. I'll make sure not to miss any strand. Deep conditioning your hair helps to add back moisture that you have lost while washing your hair, because washing your hair can strip your hair of the oils, the natural oils, and butter that is on your hair, making your hair to be so dry and frizzy. So that is why deep conditioning is very good, because it is going to add in back moisture into your hair strands and also making your hair feel alive again. So I left the deep conditioner on my hair for 30 minutes, and after 30 minutes it is time to rinse it out. I do not rinse my hair so much. Whenever I deep condition my hair, I do not rinse it so much. I just pour some water just to remove the excess deep conditioner from my strands, and that is it. I don't like washing the entire deep conditioner out of my hair. So guys, this is me rinsing out the deep conditioner, and when I was done, I'm going to let my hair dry a bit before moisturizing. But guys, I did not moisturize my hair on this day. Yeah, that is the disadvantages of being a content creator in a village setting. Like, and this village doesn't have light, so my phone went off, and before I knew it, it's already 3 days later. Hi guys. So guys, it's been 3 good days. I washed my hair on Monday, last Monday, and today is Wednesday. I've not moisturized my hair. Whew. This is what you get when you live in an area that has no electricity and also you don't have like two power bank, you just have one power bank, this is what you're going to go through, because that is what I'm currently passing through. I want to moisturize my hair on camera so that I'm going to, complete my wash day routine video for you all. That is why I've been postponing, so that my phone will be on and my lights will be on. But guys, I ended up doing it in the evening because during the day I'm at work, so let's still do it. My hair is extremely dry at this point. This is the current situation of my hair. My hair is about to be 7 weeks old, is 6 weeks and some days, so we are heading to 7 weeks old. That means by next week, ending of next week, I'll be taking out this hair, because next week we'll be making it 8 weeks, which will be completing my 2 months of leaving my hair in mini braids. And after taking my hair down at 8 weeks, I'll still install mini braids again till the year comes to an end. So first of all, I'll be sprinkling water, then I will oil my scalp with olive oil, and then apply my refined shea butter on my strands. I'm drinking water to open up my pores so that the products I'll be using is going to get into my strand. So it's time to oil my scalp. I'm going to put in a little oil on my palm. I don't have an applicator bottle, so this is what I do. This is how I oil my scalp. I'm going to be moisturizing my hair using this shea butter. So I'm done with this section. I'll go ahead and moisturize the other section. So now that I'm done, I'm going to massage my scalp for like 2 minutes. So guys, my hair is fully moisturized, and I'm going to let my hair dry a little bit before putting on my bonnet and going to bed. So guys, if you don't know, moisturizing or oiling the ends of my strands is one thing I always do whenever I moisturize my hair, because that way it will help keep my ends moisturized and prevent them from being frizzy, and also reduce breakage, because if you're not retaining length, your ends are not healthy. Okay, thank you all so much for watching to the end of this video. Please make sure to subscribe, like this video, drop a comment for me in the comment section. How many times you moisturize your hair in a week? And if you're also on a hair growth journey, like if you're a mini braid warrior, let me know in the comments. Okay, so thanks so much for watching to the end. See you all on my next upload. Bye.